So our project, CPR for All, is about designing a low-cost CPR mannequin that is as effective as commercial mannequins, but for cheaper. So this is an example of a commercial mannequin. This is one our school had, and it costs about €50. This is one of our mannequins, which is much easier to make, uses materials you would have in a house, and costs only about a tenner if you don't have anything, which you probably will. So we trained different people. We trained people who had never had CPR training before. We trained 3 people at a time, 1 on each of our 3 mannequins. We got them to perform a 1-minute test on a mannequin we borrowed from a hospital that tells you the effectiveness of CPR. And when we compared the results, our 2 mannequins proved to be significantly better than the commercial mannequin at teaching CPR for only about a fifth the price. So we believe that our mannequins, or something similar to them, you should have one in every household to teach people about how to do CPR and make it more accessible for everyone.